Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Who has been selected to receive the Abel Prize 2026, often regarded as the Nobel Prize of Mathematics? Correct answer is option B, Gerd Faltings. Who emerged as the winner of the women's singles title at the Australian Open 2026? Right answer is option C, Elena Rybakina. Which franchise secured the Women's Premier League 2026 championship title? Right answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Where did India's first ever Black Swan Summit for AI, FinTech, and InsurTech take place? Right answer is option B, Odisha. In Feb 2026, the Union Cabinet approved changing the official name of Kerala to what? Correct answer is option A, Keralam. Who has been selected for the prestigious Saraswati Samman 2025? Right answer is option C, Ramkumar Mukhopadhyay. Which launch vehicle was used for ISRO's first unsuccessful mission of the year in January 2026, resulting in the loss of 16 satellites? Right answer is option D, PSLV C-62. On which river are India's first riverine lighthouses currently being constructed? Right answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Which rank did India secure among 163 countries in the Global Peace Index 2026 released in June 2026? Right answer is option B, 127th rank. Who won Femina Miss India 2026? Correct answer is option A, Sadhvi Satish Sail. Which state government has declared 2026 as the year of agriculture? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has become India's new Chief of Defence Staff? Correct answer is option C, N.S. Rajasubramani. Which city installed India's first microalgae based pure air tower? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. Sondela village, which recently declared itself caste free, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Who was selected for the 60th Gnanpith Award announced in March 2026? Right answer is option B, R. Vairamuthu. In the Women, Peace and Security Index 2025-26, what rank did India secure among 181 countries worldwide? Right answer is option C, 131st rank. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars 2026? Right answer is option C, Michael B. Jordan. Which landing site in the Mons Mountain region has ISRO selected for the Chandrayaan 4 mission planned for 2028? Right answer is option B, MM4. Which country became the 118th member of the International Solar Alliance in 2026? Right answer is option B, Romania. What is India's ranking in the Corruption Perception Index 2025? Correct answer is option A, 91st rank. Which team secured the Santosh Trophy title for the 2025-26 season? Correct answer is option C, Services. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for the year 2025? Right answer is option B, Grace Marshall. Who inaugurated the first India AI Impact Summit held in New Delhi in February 2026? Right answer is option D, PM Narendra Modi. Where was the foundation stone laid for India's first Quantum Valley project? Right answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which mission did India launch to evacuate its citizens stranded in Venezuela following the devastating earthquake in June 2026? Right answer is option B, Operation Amistad. Where did Chief Justice Suryakant virtually inaugurate India's first fully paperless district court? Correct answer is option C, Wayanad, Kerala. Which railway depot became India's first water neutral depot in April 2026? Right answer is option B, Kankaria Depot, Ahmedabad. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Right answer is option C, 157th rank. The legendary singer Asha Bhosle, known as the Voice of the Nation, was honored with the Padma Vibhushan in which year? Right answer is option C, 2008. Which country passed an ethnic unity law in May 2026 to promote national integration? Right answer is option B, China. On which date is World Earth Day celebrated annually? Correct answer is option A, April 22nd. Which spiritual leader won his first ever Grammy Award in 2026 for Best Audiobook Narration and Storytelling Recording for the album Meditations? Right answer is option C, Dalai Lama. Which district is said to become India's first biohappy district? Right answer is option B, K. Panyor, Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been selected as the new Chief Minister of Manipur after nearly 1 year of President's rule in the state? Right answer is option B, Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Which country introduced the world's first comprehensive artificial intelligence legislation known as the AI Basic Act? Right answer is option C, South Korea. The 13th Joint Military Drill named Exercise Khanjar in Feb 2026 is conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option C, Kyrgyzstan. Which state officially declared Bacillus subtilis as its state microorganism? Right answer is option C, Kerala. When was World Cancer Day 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option C, February 4th. The Fink River, recognized as the world's oldest surviving river system, is located in which country? Right answer is option B, Australia. How many Padma Awards were approved by the President of India for the year 2026? Correct answer is option C, 131. Who was awarded the prestigious Tyler Prize for Environmental Achievement in 2026? Correct answer is option B, Toby Cares. National Voters' Day was celebrated on which date in 2026? Correct answer is option A, January 25th. Who took charge as the new Director General of the Border Security Force in January 2026? Right answer is option A, Praveen Kumar. Who won the Best Actress Award at the 83rd Golden Globe Awards 2026? Right answer is option A, Jessie Buckley. Who took oath as the new Chief Minister of West Bengal in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Suvendu Adhikari. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology launched the Param Shakti supercomputing facility at which institute? Right answer is option C, IIT Madras. Who won the International Booker Prize 2026 for the novel Taiwan Travelogue? Right answer is option B, Yang Shong-so and Ling King. Who is the author of the book Four Stars of Destiny? Right answer is option A, General M.M. Narvane. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Indo Tibetan Border Police? Right answer is option A, Shatrujit Singh Kapoor. Which cities hosted the 2026 Olympic Winter Games? Correct answer is option A, Milan and Cortina, Italy. In April 2026, who was elected as the new Prime Minister of Hungary? Correct answer is option A, Peter Magyar. Between which two stations did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train in January 2026? Right answer is option C, Howrah Kamakhya stations. In April 2026, between India and which country was the joint military exercise Dust Lake 2026 conducted? Correct answer is option B, Uzbekistan. Which spacecraft is expected to become the first human made object to reach a distance of one light day from Earth in November 2026? Right answer is option D, NASA's Voyager 1. Who took oath as the 24th Chief Minister of Bihar in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Samrat Chaudhary. Which state is home to India's first full stack sovereign artificial intelligence park? Right answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Which state government has announced India's first mushroom mission with an investment of approximately rupees 13,000 crore? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Who has been assigned the additional charge of Director General of the National Investigation Agency? Right answer is option B, Rakesh Agarwal. Which country announced its withdrawal from OPEC and the OPEC Plus alliance effective from 1st May 2026? Right answer is option C, United Arab Emirates. Which Manipuri film won the BAFTA award for Best Children's and Family Film in 2026? Right answer is option D, Boong. Which organization launched the Water Forward initiative with the goal of improving water security for more than 1 billion people by 2030? Correct answer is option C, World Bank. In April 2026, Indian Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi was inducted into the International Hall of Fame of which country's Army War College? Correct answer is option C, United States. Which state government launched the rural health campaign Mazegaon Arogya Sampan Gaon to address gaps in healthcare services? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. India's first major private sector gold mine since independence, the Jannagiri Gold Project, is being launched in which location? Right answer is option B, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Where has the foundation stone for India's first driverless pod taxi project been laid? Right answer is option A, Mumbai, Maharashtra. In which country has the world's first permanent nuclear waste repository, Onkalo, been established? Right answer is option B, Finland. The Lok Sabha passed a bill recognizing which city as the sole and permanent capital of Andhra Pradesh? Correct answer is option D, Amravati. Where was the Tri Services Seminar Run Samvad organized on April 9th to 10th, 2026? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Which space agency launched the Artemis 2 mission aimed at sending astronauts to the moon after a gap of 53 years? Correct answer is option D, NASA. Which educational body was granted the status of a deemed university by the Ministry of Education in April 2026? Right answer is option B, NCERT. Which state finished at the top of the medal tally in the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026? Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. The Geological Survey of India declared the Yana Caves as a geoheritage site of national importance. In which state are the Yana Caves located? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Between which two countries has the Joint Special Forces exercise Cyclone 4 conducted in April 2026? Correct answer is option C, India and Egypt. Who was named Sportswoman of the Year? Correct answer is option A, Arina Sabalenka. In April 2026, with which country did India's reciprocal exchange of logistics support agreement become fully implemented? Correct answer is option D, Russia. Which operation was launched by India in January 2026 to bring back Indian citizens from Iran? Correct answer is option B, Operation Swadesh. Which country topped the medal tally at the 2026 Milan Cortina Winter Olympics? Right answer is option A, Norway. Who was conferred with India's highest peacetime gallantry award, the Ashoka Chakra? Right answer is option C, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. The Pax Silica organization, which the United States invited India to join, is primarily related to which sector? Correct answer is option C, semiconductor supply chain. Renowned ecologist Madhav Gadgil, who passed away recently, was widely known for his work on the ecological importance of which region? Right answer is option C, Western Ghats. Which Indian state has implemented AI powered facial recognition technology to record MLA attendance for the first time? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which city has become the first in India to provide 24-hour high quality drinking water directly from the tap? Right answer is option B, Puri, Odisha. Who received the world's largest AI film award in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, Zober Jalasi. India's first 24/7 LPG ATM has been launched by Bharat Petroleum Corporation at which location? Right answer is option B, Gurugram, Haryana. Which state became the second in India to pass the Uniform Civil Code Bill on 24th March 2026? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Which bank introduced India's first solar powered ATM van in January 2026? Right answer is option B, Tripura Grameen Bank. On which date is National Panchayati Raj Day celebrated every year in India? Correct answer is option C, April 24th. Which country officially became the 10th member of the New Development Bank in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Uzbekistan. Which team won the Tata Indian Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. In March 2026, who took oath as Nepal's 47th Prime Minister and the youngest person to hold the office? Right answer is option D, Balen Shah. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Niti Aayog? Right answer is option C, Anurag Jain. Which company became India's 130th unicorn company in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sarvam AI. Exercise Vajraprahar 2026 marks which edition of the joint military exercise conducted between India and the United States? Right answer is option C, 16th edition. Who became the new chairperson of the National Statistical Commission in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Dr. Saibal Chattopadhyay. Which Indian state government approved the Akkapade scheme aimed at enhancing the safety of women and minors? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. Which team clinched the Vijay Hazare Trophy title for the 2025-26 season? Right answer is option D, Vidarbha. Who won the men's singles title at the French Open Tennis Grand Slam 2026? Right answer is option C, Alexander Zverev. Who has become the first individual footballer to win the Princess of Asturias Sports Award 2026? Right answer is option C, Lionel Messi. In which state is the Jayaprakash Narayan Bird Sanctuary declared India's 100th Ramsar site in June 2026 located? Right answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which Venezuelan opposition leader handed over her 2025 Nobel Peace Prize to US President Donald Trump? Correct answer is option A, Maria Corina Machado. The seventh edition of the joint military exercise Dharma Guardian is conducted between which two countries? Right answer is option B, India and Japan. The central government launched which scheme to provide immediate medical assistance after road accidents? Right answer is option C, PM Rahat. Who was appointed as the National Brand Ambassador for Census 2027 by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs? Correct answer is option D, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who is the leader of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party that secured victory in the 2026 Bangladesh general elections? Correct answer is option B, Tariq Rahman. Who won the Stockholm Water Prize 2026? Right answer is option B, Kaveh Madani. Which rover have NASA and the European Space Agency announced they will jointly launch to Mars in late 2028? Right answer is option C, Rosalind Franklin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first semiconductor assembly, test, and packaging facility at which location? Correct answer is option C, Sanand, Gujarat. Which wetland sanctuary in Uttar Pradesh was declared India's 99th Ramsar site in April 2026? Right answer is option C, Shekha Jheel Bird Sanctuary. Jammu and Kashmir defeated which team to win the Ranji Trophy 2025-26 final? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajanlal Sharma renamed which city as Abu Raj? Right answer is option B, Mount Abu. Which state government launched the Lake and Air Watch initiative to monitor air quality and lake health? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who attended the inaugural session of the 11th Raisina Dialogue 2026 in New Delhi as the chief guest? Right answer is option B, Alexander Stubb. Which institute introduced the Moonshot project to improve human brain capabilities? Right answer is option A, IISc Bengaluru. Which state government launched Project Ganga to provide high speed internet connectivity to 20 lakh rural households? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who became the first Indian to receive the Esmond B. Martin Award 2026? Right answer is option A, Kriti K. Karanth. What is the primary objective of Project Hanuman? Correct answer is option C, human wildlife conflict. Who was appointed as the new governor of West Bengal? Correct answer is option B, R. N. Ravi. Tamil Nadu's first dark sky park has been established at which location? Correct answer is option C, Colli Hills. Scotland became the first country in the UK to legalize which type of funeral method? Right answer is option B, water cremation. Who authored the book titled Mahatma, a Great Communicator? Right answer is option B, Dheeraj Kakadia. Where was India's first AI powered skills census Saksham launched? Right answer is option D, Mumbai. When was International Mathematics Day, also known as Pi Day, observed in 2026? Right answer is option B, 14th March. The Mizoram Assembly passed a resolution seeking the inclusion of which language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option A, Mizo. In March 2026, which space agency lost contact with the Proba 3 mission designed to study the sun's corona? Right answer is option C, ESA, European Space Agency. Which state government launched the Women Entrepreneur Empowerment Scheme TWEES on International Women's Day 2026? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. In which state was the Northeast's first emergency landing facility inaugurated at Moran? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Which Nobel Peace Prize laureate released the book Karuna, the Power of Compassion in March 2026? Right answer is option B, Kailash Satyarthi. India's first National Cow Culture Museum will be set up in which city? Correct answer is option B, Mathura. World Tuberculosis Day 2026 was observed on which date? Right answer is option C, 24th March. In March 2026, Union Power Minister Manohar Lal Khattar inaugurated the International Conference on Carbon Markets Prakriti 2026 in which city? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Who won the FIDE Freestyle Chess World Championship 2026? Right answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. On which date was World Water Day observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, March 22nd. Which Indian state has approved the country's first comprehensive policy dedicated to graphene? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Which Indian organization is involved in the Prambanan temple restoration project? Correct answer is option B, ASI. India's first underwater twin tube road and rail tunnel is planned to be built beneath which river? Right answer is option A, Brahmaputra. The recently declared National Geoheritage Site Kalinjar Hill is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Who was named the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year 2025? Right answer is option B, Smriti Mandana. India's rank in Global Happiness Index 2026 is reported as which of the following? Right answer is option D, 116th rank. Which organization has launched the initiative to establish India's first B corridors along national highways? Right answer is option D, National Highways Authority of India. Which team won the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, India. In February 2026, which state declared tidal flooding as a state specific disaster? Right answer is option C, Kerala. The Rahveer scheme has been launched by which state or union territory? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. Which state police launched Operation Crackdown? Correct answer is option D, Telangana. Which state government has launched the Meri Rasoi scheme? Right answer is option B, Punjab. When is World Pangolin Day 2026 celebrated? Right answer is option B, February 21st. Hornbill restaurants are being developed in the Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve of which state? Correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Who became Japan's first female prime minister following the 2026 election victory? Right answer is option D, Sanai Takeichi. Where was the 62nd edition of the Munich Security Conference held in February 2026? Right answer is option A, Germany. What was India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2026 released by the Institute for Economics and Peace? Correct answer is option C, 13th rank. Which university conferred an honorary Doctor of Letters degree on Lok Sabha MP Shashi Tharoor in February 2026? Right answer is option B, St. Xavier's University, Kolkata. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.